SINOSUN Machinery Company located in Henan Province, China, specialized in the design and sales of asphalt mixing plant, burner and concrete batching plant. SINOSUN Company engaged in wide range of asphalt mixing plant these years which can meet customers' needs. Our asphalt plant also accepts the customized needs of customers due to our strong technical support. We have passed ISO 9001 certification, and our products have got CE and EAC certificate. Our asphalt plants have been involved in the instruction of national highways, urban roads, and airport construction. We've got customer acceptance and praise because of our caring services, strictly quality controlled products. Our factory located in Nanyang City, Henan Province, China, with convenient transportation access. We have modern production equipment and experienced engineer to carrying out strict inspection from the raw materials entering factory, production process, to complete machine leaving factory. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure customer satisfaction. So far, our asphalt mixing plants have been widely used in domestic and overseas road construction projects, such as Russia, Romania, Brazil, Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Algeria, Peru, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, more than 60 countries and regions. And we also set up agency in Thailand, Philippines, and Russia to provide more sales service for clients. Welcome to visit SINOSUN Company, and we warmly welcome customer to establish cooperation with us.